Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have another clean with me. Nothing too serious, just a standard cleanup. I am really excited because over the next couple of weeks, I am going to be filming a more thorough cleaning video just so that I can get everything in order before it really starts to hit like that fall, winter, holiday season. But I'm going to pop on some music. I'll stop in to chat with you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, baby, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
To be true, it's all about you. 어떡해? 내 모든 노래 널 향해 가고 있으니까. It's you again, yeah. Baby, it's true. 내 손에 닿은 이 연기에 다른 어떤 말로 설명할 수 없는 거야. All I want is just one kiss. 사라지는 내 이야기. 사가지 꿈처럼 부드러운 lullaby. No fooling around, maybe you're right, maybe Be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy. But I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go.
So the craziest thing happened while I was cleaning the stove. My son just walked up to me and put the spray bottle in his mouth. I was like, what the heck? I had to smell his mouth to make sure he didn't actually swallow anything. And it was just crazy watching it because I'm like, out of all things that you could have done, the first thing you do is just go put the spray bottle in your mouth. It was the craziest thing. Hey y'all, so I wanted to jump on here and talk about this really quick. So like normally first thing in the morning, I do like to make my bed. I'm definitely one of those people that like if my bed is not made, I feel so unproductive. I definitely have to have like a clean and clear space, almost like a blank canvas, if you will. Just because like I kind of feel like if I have a lot on my mind, if I have a lot going on like at work or just in life period, like I want to make sure that like my space is clean and clear and like free, because otherwise I'll feel like extra overwhelmed. So normally I do make my bed first thing in the morning, but today I actually took care of everything else and then I did my bed. But I'm definitely wanting you guys' opinion on just like some decor options I can put in my room. I'm going to do another video on just where I am in this space right now. I definitely want to do more in here, but I was 100% planning on moving, still planning on moving hopefully by next year. So I was kind of like, I don't want to put too much in here until I know for sure if we're moving or not. not. But I'm gonna do another video and just kind of like see what you guys think, because I'm really not big on like a lot of like bulky furniture, hence why I don't even have my dresser in my room. It's in my closet. But I definitely want to like change the bedding, add some paintings, just do a little thing. So, but yeah, I did want to hop on here and say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I will be putting out another video, more of a deep clean, if you will, for fall.